Let's do a simple test to see if this torque wrench is length dependent. Length dependency occurs when a torque wrench delivers, measures or indicates a torque differently depending on the length over which the force is applied. In other words, where you hold the torque tool. We'll do a simple test using a wheel nut, which is handy because it's a test that anybody who has a vehicle and a torque wrench can duplicate and see for themselves. The magnet just grabbed the torque wrench. The torque wrench is set, a bit hard to see with the shiny chrome. Torque wrench is just set to its minimum value, 30 Newton meters, with a little bit of tape there just to make sure that we don't jiggle anything as we test. It's all locked in place, and I'll do 3 tests, and they have to be done in the correct order, otherwise you get a false result. The first test involves a handle extension. Well, put that on the nut and drive it from the very end of the handle extension until we get to our click point. There we go. Remove the extension. Pop on an indicator so that we can see the torque with the handle extension. Bit rough. There it is. Now we'll apply the torque from the correct position at the handle and see what happens. Move to there. Now we'll move up to where I've marked the halfway point, up the handle, and go again. Alright. That's what happens if you have a length dependent torque wrench. Using the handle extension, even though you'd expect that it might deliver more torque because you have more leverage, it developed less torque. Then the correct handle position increased the torque to the correct setting. Then moving halfway up the handle increased the torque to that final result. So here we have a nice length dependent torque wrench.